This is Excel Pro Tips. Do more in less time. Presented by TruePeak Solutions, and I am David Zvirenko. Today's tip is joining data elements in Excel. Sometimes you need to bring data from multiple columns into one. The Excel function concatenate can help us accomplish that goal. So let's dive right in and I will show you what I mean. I have a spreadsheet here with a list of California school districts with some contact information. I have an area code and a phone number column. And so what I want is one single column that will have the full phone number. In order to accomplish that, I will use the concatenate function. To begin, I will insert a new column to the right of the phone column. Put my cursor in the first cell where I have data, or where I have data in my existing columns. I will click on the insert function icon. And then from here, I will search for the concatenate function. And you don't have to type the full name, but sometimes it helps. There it is, concatenate. Click OK. And so concatenate function allows me to grab different pieces of data from my spreadsheet that may be in other cells, but it also allows me to include other text characters that could be part of my final concatenated text string. So I want my phone number to look like a traditional phone number with parentheses surrounding the area code and then a space before the rest of the phone number. So I will start with an opening parenthesis, and then the next element will be the actual area code. So I will point to the cell where the area code exists, and then I will have a closing parenthesis with a space to make sure that there's a space before the rest of the number. And then the final element will be the remainder of the number. You'll notice there is a little bit of a preview that it provides for you here, so you can see if you're achieving the result you want. If it looks correct, press OK. And there it is. All right, we've copied that formula all the way down for our entire list. Let's expand this column. And one last step that we need to take. Right now, our new column contains a function or a formula that is pulling data from other sources or other columns. And so it's a live formula. If we do anything to the column of area code or the phone, then our formula is going to stop working, and essentially we're going to lose data. To prevent that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, while this new column is selected, I'm going to do Control-C to copy. And then I'm going to come over to the paste here and select paste values. And so it'll paste right over itself, but now the formula will be eliminated and the final values are just going to be contained in the cells. And so I can go ahead and delete the area code and the phone columns, just like this. And I still have this column, which I will rename phone. And there we have it. That's all for today. If you've enjoyed this tip, please share it with a friend or a colleague.